Guess what?
We got phones, baby. Let's go.
iPhone unboxing.
Whoa!
Yo, we got the 17, the iPhone Air, and the 17 Pro Max.
And we got
all
a
in
whoa! Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Let's unbox
Woo!
it. Here we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna pull the bottom tab here and get a grasp on it.
On the bottom tab.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. Open this phone up. All right. Now I got my phone to compare. Okay.
Here we go.
Not much.
This is the blue.
Not much different.
This is the 17.
This is the 16.
This is the 16. So obviously it doesn't look on the surface different.
Only the glass thing.
Well, no, this is the same here. But we got a charger in the box as well. If you see that, we're going to leave that there. And we're going to do the famous peel here. Ready? Yeah. Beautiful.
So as you can see, nothing really different.
I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, it doesn't look different from the surface. The main difference, of course, is we got 48 megapixel cameras. We got a 19 Pro, thinner bezels, 120 hertz display, which props to Apple for putting that and not increasing the price. Here it is. Get a close
No, because
up
they
there.
shouldn't.
They didn't increase the price and they put a more expensive display in it. So we're not gonna set this up right now. We're gonna set it up for the review. But essentially, that's it. Just that. No, not any really design difference. Looks good. This is a very good starter phone. Like if you want a good
starter phone.
Like the base model. Like they packed a lot of features for the same price as last year. 17 complete.
Not bad. Not bad.
Now we're gonna get to my brand new phone. Here we go.
Your brand new phone.
Oh yeah, baby. It's upgrade season. Boom. Ready for this? Here we go. 3, 2.
This looks ugly.
Now remember, this comes in blue, orange, and
Oh, I would do the
silver.
Blue.
I don't know.
Blue?
This is the blue. I don't know why everyone hates this blue. I mean, we're
That's not
fans, so we
blue.
like blue, but this is a
That's not
dark
blue.
blue.
That's not blue.
The only other color was cosmic orange and silver. But anyways, let's peel
I
this.
do the orange. Like a mandarin.
Oh my god, this has the millimeter wave band too. I thought this might not be in Canada, but they got a nice antenna on the top there, if you can see that or not. What else looks different? It feels nice to hold. And obviously this whole unibody design.
What is that?
This is glass on the back, right there. This is glass, and this is aluminum, unlike the 16, which we're filming with. This is shot on iPhone 16 Pro Max, by the way. If you had noticed, this is it. The only glass is the front, and this cutout here. This, not glass, aluminum. And last year's and the 15s were titanium, so this is interesting. The speaker on the top is bigger here. I just noticed. I don't know if you can see that in the shot. But yeah. Finally, they bring blue back. So many people complain that there's no black.
But it's not the right blue. This is black.
He thinks this is black. It depends on the lighting. Like if you cover the lighting, looking under, it almost looks black in certain lighting. But I'm gonna be their clear case this year was so ugly. Even though I love the clear case, I could not fathom putting that thing on. The whole back area on the clear case is white.
That's good.
How is that supposed to be clear if it's not actually clear? Like, come on,
It's
Apple.
good.
I know they had to cover it because of the MagSafe issue and the Apple logo placement, but you could have at least color matched the clear case to the phone. That would have been not that bad. But anyways,
okay, now we
we're
save
gonna
the
get
best
to
for last.
the brand new
thinnest
first of its iteration. Here we go.
iPhone Air 1.
Well, they're not calling it one. It's just iPhone Air.
They have an iPad Air.
Be ready for the thinnest iPhone ever made. Oh, it's upside down. Why is the, there we go. god.
Oh my god.
Okay, like I've watched so many YouTube videos of this, but I gotta say, you have to hold this in your hands to believe it. Like, I cannot believe what I'm holding right now. How thin is that? Like, it looks just thin on a screen when you look at it on a computer screen in YouTube videos. But go to an Apple store, please. Try holding this. It's made out of titanium, not aluminum. Make that peel.
Holy. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Do you see how thin that is, folks? I'm not joking. That's thin as can be. This looks like a phone I could break with my own hand.
Well, guess what?
By the snap of a finger.
In an interview with Apple execs, John Turnus and Greg Jaws, they said to these interviewers, why don't you go ahead and bend it? And they went, and they went, and they bent it, and it flexed a little, didn't break. I just watched a few bend tests this morning. No matter what people did, they could not get this thing to bend and break, no matter what. Like, obviously I'm not gonna do it, but like, it feels sturdy despite it being so thin. There's the plateau right there.
I might get that phone.
It's a cool phone. The only drawback to this phone is, of course, there's only one camera lens, the wide angle lens. It's a 48 megapixel fusion camera, so you're getting 1x and 2x. You don't get an ultra wide, you don't get any zoom other than optical zoom. There's no bottom speaker, which is crazy to me. So these bottom holes for the grills are microphones. The only speaker is on the top. There's no audio coming out of the bottom here. Be mindful of that. And the battery itself, they said 3,000 milliamp hour battery and all day battery life. I don't know about all day, but in some tests, people have gotten it to last a good amount. Besides that, the brains of the phone is in what they call the plateau here. So the chip, everything, the motherboard is all in there, okay? This is all battery. It's eSIM only, worldwide, so there's no SIM card slot anywhere on the phone. It's got camera control. An engineering masterpiece. You know what I say that.
An engineering masterpiece. What is so masterpiece?
This is the blue. We got it in the blue. It also comes in gold, silver, and black.
This is not blue. This is white.
Okay, hold on a second.
What color? Are you colorblind?
Look at this blue and look at this blue.
Those are not complete. That's white right there. One.
I know, every video that I've watched is like, this is not blue. And then you saw the 17 Pro's blue.
It's a disrespect to blues everywhere if that's called a blue and that's called a blue. That's black.
Hold on, let me pull this one out here.
They have officially gone with.
They're losing their printer ink again, man. Why?
Look
at the thickness in comparison. Look at that. Insane. Okay, I have another phone to compare this to, in case you're wondering. I have the original iPhone 6, just the regular one, right here. This is the iPhone 6, right here.
Is that what they tried to replicate?
This was released probably 10 years ago. I don't even remember when it was released. 2016? 15?
Where did you get that
phone? I
from?
don't remember. I had this phone in storage, but that's not the point. The point is, let's compare the thinness here.
It's actually thinner.
The iPhone Air is almost... I think the iPhone Air is slightly thinner. There's no bump here, but like the camera on this and the chips have been a wild difference over the last 10 years.
It actually looks thicker if you look at it from a side.
Like, I don't know. And this phone was released a long time ago, but like back then, the battery on this sucks. Garbage compared to this. And like, this is like an old phone. Like, look at it. It's got the home button. It's trash. Like, here you go. Toss. Garbage.
It's actually not trash. This is probably better than that.
There you go.
I'll get flamed in the comments by some Apple
Well, of
weirdos.
course. It's got the action button. It's got camera control. It's got USB-C. No LiDAR, but it's got a flashlight. I don't like how it has a dynamic island. Has
I
A19
like to purposely
Pro.
get flamed in the comments.
Like I like
fun.
the idea behind this phone. At first I was looking at it and I was like on the fence, but I'm like I can't diss the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Like, I love the size of this phone. I love having 3 camera lenses. I love the fact that this is 5,000 milliamp hour
Apple, you hearing him? You hearing him? Look.
And it has no SIM card. Look at that.
Apple,
no
you hearing him?
Yours has a SIM card tray, right?
Yeah.
Mine has a SIM card tray on the 16 Pro Max. In Canada, up until now, there's been SIM card trays. Now, all of a sudden, boom, gone. But in the EU and China, you still get a SIM card tray on the 17s. But on the Air, no SIM card tray worldwide. So it doesn't matter about regulations. They could not fit it in here. It was too thin.
Hey, you want to know something? How much you want to bet they're going to make the same phone? They're going to make the same phone, but find a way.
You no longer need a SIM card.
They're going to find a way to put 3 cameras on that iPhone Air. I bet you 1,000%.
Well, some people are, and they tried asking the Apple execs, but they would deny any claims about it. But they were saying like, oh, is this a preview into the future iPhone Fold, and how in hopefully next year, which is when it's rumored to come out, are we gonna get an iPhone Fold as thin as this? Like, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna get an iPhone like literally this thin when it folds open, like Samsung Fold? But Apple's been working on it for like 5 years now. They're trying to perfect it to the point where there's no crease in the center. They don't want any creases whatsoever. Let me take a look at the tech woven case. 2 years ago they released, or was it last year? I can't even know. I think it was 2 years ago. They released fine woven. It was.
What's fine woven?
It was their step to get rid of leather, because they think leather kills cows and horses, and they don't want to kill animals, and they don't want to support that anymore. So now, they had released fine woven. It went to crap. It was a disaster. It was a complete disaster. This is the second iteration of it. They're trying to come back from that, and now it's called tech woven. Huh.
Oh, if you could feel this texture, this feels like a...
It's a bunch of knitted fabrics, all knitted into one case.
If you see that, if you can see that.
And it's for the 17 Pro. Let's pop this on here. Let's see what this looks like. There you go. How does it feel?
Bro, feel that.
Wow. I'm excited to use this. I'm used to clear cases. I've been using clear cases forever, but when I found out what they were doing with the clear case,
it looks like a diaper.
I was like, no, sorry. Look at the top notch there, like, and people are saying that, you know, there's a green version of this case, comes in green, purple, clear, whatever.
They come in blue.
This is the blue.
Again,
there's a purple version.
Do you see blue?
He sees purple, but there's an actual purple.
No, this
version.
is not blue.
This
is black.
No, it's blue.
There's no way this is blue. I want a bright.
There's a black
blue.
version of this. There's a black version, a purple version, a blue version, a green version.
This looks like a. I'm gonna get. Oh my god.
And
how would you guys feel if I got
so
the orange?
People are saying you get the orange phone, the green case, and it looks like that. It looks like the Teenage Ninja Turtles.
That's exactly what I wanted to do.
It also looks like
That's
that
exactly
robot Terminator figure. I forget his name.
To piss off
He has
viewers.
orange eyes and then a green outfit, and that's what it would look like. Orange.
That's
and
what
then
I want to do to piss off people. Get an orange.
I'll put a picture on the screen. It's hilarious.
An orange phone, and a green case just to piss off people.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
With the colors.
I mean, obviously I went pretty plain. I like blue. I'm happy with blue.
That's
I went
not
blue
blue.
and blue.
That's
He thinks it's not
unfortunate.
blue.
This is a blue, folks. This right here is a blue.
Look at this. So it's got the little lanyard holders on the bottom, which I will not be using, but it's there. Personally, I don't think they should have put it there unless you really need it. But anyways, there's the crossbody strap, where you attach it to these points on the phone, and then you wear it like a purse. Just
you know
on
what
the
they need to
side.
bring back?
It just hangs there like a purse.
You know what they need to bring
sorry.
back?
I don't like that.
You know what they need to bring back? The old chargers.
So
There's
there
our
you
unboxing.
have it. 17 iPhone Air, 17 Pro Max, all in blue here. 3 different shades of blue. We got blue that I don't even see.
The white.
Blue, which is like a nice sky blue, and then like a deep blue on the 17 Pro, which I'm digging. He thinks it's black. But
Okay, ready?
I like it.
Blue,
I don't
white, black, or purple. Doesn't matter. We got
does
3.
Come off at us as purple in different
We
lighting.
got 3 shades. We got 1 shade of blue here. Can you tell which one is the blue? Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Which one is the white, folks? Right here. And the black. That's it for our review. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, comment, subscribe, and please tell Apple this is not blue. Whoever's your colorblind, they're colorblind.
I think they ran out of printer ink again.
I think they're colorblind. I think they thought that was genuine blue.
The thinness is awesome. I'm worried about the battery life and the lack of a second camera and its basic features. It has the A19 Pro. It has camera control. It has a 120 hertz display. It's got the features. It just has one camera.
I wonder if they're gonna do the 2 cameras, one over here and one over there.
The problem is this whole section here is all the brains of the phone, and the rest of it is just battery. And then the bottom is like the microphone, and it could have fit a speaker in there. Come on, man. There's no way they didn't pack. Watch, next year if they make a new Air, it's gonna have a speaker. They'll be like, upgrade. Now you get a speaker and a second camera. I can already see it happening. It'd be hilarious. And then the 17, it's got 120 hertz. It's got 819. It's got all the features of the Pro minus the telephoto and a big battery and A19 Pro. That's pretty much all that's lacking. It's a great bang for your buck for like a $500 difference.
I'm gonna take this one by all means.
Yeah. This is gonna be my future phone here compared to the 16 Pro Max, which we are going to review. We're gonna compare the 16 Pro Max to the 17 Pro Max. We're gonna compare his 16 to the 17, and then
we're gonna see what happens. See you later. Bye.
And we might also
Peace.
compare all 3 of these together. We'll see. But we hope you stay tuned for our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching us in the park, and we did this in front of a bunch of people, so hopefully it wasn't too embarrassing.
There was 2 guys in the back here playing tennis. They immediately scurried when they saw us here. But
Anyways, that's it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.